Good morning. This morning we're doing Mestaa'ėhehe mountain trail. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Should be about a 4.2 mile hike. About 900 to 1,000 feet of elevation gain. Should be a nice 360 view at the top. This is right next to Echo Mountain. So perhaps in the background you can kind of hear the music playing. I think Echo Mountain's one of the smaller. Look at those views. Yeah, it's one of the smaller ski resorts in Colorado. Some songs. We have beautiful mountains. Coming up here we had like a 12-mile road, just kind of twist and turn the whole way, but good conditions, so this road wasn't wet or had any snow or slippery at all, so it was great. But I'd imagine with some bad weather that'll be a treacherous uphill or downhill. Also, we had to park off the side of the road because the entrance to the parking area was closed because I think the conditions here, as you can kind of see, pretty bad. So they closed off the parking, and yeah, we had to park on the side of the road. Jesus. Good luck getting that car out of there. Poor guy. How do you even get there? Alright, so if you're coming in summertime, you could save yourself about 2 miles back and forth, because this is where, I guess over there's a parking lot, and this is the end of the road, and then you start the hike. But we've already done about a mile at this point, so pretty short hike actually in summertime, probably only about a mile up, a mile back down, or maybe a little bit more, but yeah, substantially shorter. I got a little bit of a steady climb. Really nothing too bad so far. I would put it on the easy side, but it should be about 1,000 feet, so still got some ways to go. We'll see. Oh, hello. About 1.5 miles in. Pretty straightforward so far. Surrounded by trees, so can't really see the views. Every once in a while there'll be a small opening, but can't see too much so far. Should be some great 360 views at the top. We'll wait and see, but yeah, just steady incline, nothing too serious, not a calf burner by any stretch of the imagination. Yeah. All right, so far it's been hard-packed snow mixed with ice. I guess hard pack here as well. Thought we were gonna do some post holing like we did in the previous video, but I think we're good. For For those of you who didn't see the previous video, go check it out. We were trying to go up Silver Dollar Lake, but it was just, snow was just way too deep, so kept just breaking through the snow, and some parts were knee deep, some parts were waist deep. It was just not possible. We'll be back though. We'll go probably May or June. All right, so almost at the tower, almost at the watchtower. Nice. Yeah, about a quarter of a mile to go. Should be at the top. Kind of icy up here, as you can see. But the good old micro spikes are doing the job. All right, look at that eye candy. Now it opens up. All right, so this trail is called Mestaa'ėhehe. Again, I might not be pronouncing it exactly correctly, but I believe that's what it's called. And from my understanding, translates to Owl Lady, which is a cool name. And used to have a different name. It's fairly recent that they changed it. I didn't Wikipedia this or anything, but I think that's what happened. So, beautiful, really nice, easy hike. And we are at the top. All right, see some views. All right, that's the watchtower. I think you can rent it out. Could be wrong, probably wrong, but I believe you can. Currently it's occupied. There are people in there. So, look at that. I like these views. Yeah, it really is. So you can walk from here up to the tower. Beautiful day, no wind today. Not exactly bluebird, but I guess bluebird over here. Not that much over here. But yeah, I know this place got a really cool energy about it. Really nice. Wow.
We need to let Terrence know before they just get surprised.
Oh,
Okay.
that is awesome. So 80 bucks a night?
80 bucks a night. I mean, it might be a little more than that with like taxes or whatever, but it's right around there.
Yeah. No, this is awesome.
Yeah, so I mean, you know, we've been up here. This is the warmest time we've ever been up here. We've been up here when it's been like in the 20s and stuff. And
Okay.
as long as you have, like, you can actually keep this area warm. Upstairs, you can't
chilly.
really keep it warm, but if you have a decent sleeping bag, you can sleep up there and be totally fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's heaters and everything.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Awesome. Wow. You guys did some good hiking out here?
This trip we ventured like, I don't know, 100 yards that way.
I mean, you're already at the top, right?
Yeah, we our hiking is here and back to the cars probably.
Yeah, that's not bad, man.
Yeah.
And it's warm, like the heat.
It's really warm in here, yeah. Wow, that's awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for showing us around. Appreciate
enjoy
it.
the rest of your hike.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the other side. As you can see, a little deeper here. Not as hard packed. But so far not horrible. All right, so made it to the top. Showed you a little bit of that cabin that you can book, the watchtower. The guy said they did it like, I think he said what, 6 months in advance. So you have to book it, you know, a long time in advance. But it's only 80 bucks a night, and I mean, you get some amazing views up here. You can do it through the forestry service on their website, I guess. They should just do it as an Airbnb. But anyway, yeah, I guess it's a thing, and definitely gonna try and do that at some point. 100%. Really cool. All right, just heading back down. Really fun hike. Do a little recap shortly. Still here. All right, quick recap. It took us just under 4 miles, probably like 3.8, and around 900 feet of elevation gain in total. Yeah, it's a nice little fun hike. Some really beautiful views at the top. Terrain was mixed, hard packed snow and ice. As far as getting here, yeah, the parking is a little tricky, as you can see with that car, that poor car that was just hanging off the side of the cliff there. But yeah, parking's a little tricky because they closed off the parking here, so you just have to park on the road. So yeah, easy hike, great views. And as you saw, you can rent that watchtower, which is awesome. Might have to do that in the summertime. We'll see. All right, please subscribe, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Keep hiking.